Hello friends, welcome back. This time we will try to fix the Lenovo G40 series laptop with the condition of the casing screws that are broken. You can see the casing is no longer tight and loose because the screw holder is broken. In addition, the laptop screen is dead. So, we will replace this laptop screen immediately. Open the screen frame cover. After that, open the screen mounting screw. Continue by removing the flexible connector. Now, let's try to probe. Is the screen damaged? I will test by using another LED screen that is still good. This damaged laptop screen is 14-inch. Here I try to test with another 12-inch screen. And the result is, there is a normal image display. Different screen testing like this can be done, as long as the screen connector has the same shape. Okay, from here we are ready and sure to buy a new 40-inch Lenovo LED laptop screen. Next, let's take care of the screw hole damage. I will completely dismantle all the contents of this laptop. For dismantling session, I'll just keep it. Okay, this is the result of repairing the broken screw holder. This is the screw holder on the bottom cover of the laptop. I used plastic steel and reinstalled it as before. Remember, make sure the installation is correct and accurate. If not, the screw installation can slip and result in it not being strong. Also on the top cover, everything is down. All the broken screw holder have been repaired. Now, all the laptop components have been installed, and the laptop can operate properly. From here, we just have to wait for the laptop screen package to be delivered. While waiting for the replacement screen, I tried installing Windows 11. And it turned out that the result did not match its performance. This also coincided with the arrival of the replacement screen shipment. Here, the screen has been installed and can operate normally. Just throw away the plastic screen cover. After that, install the screen frame cover and you're done. Okay, for the OS, I just used Windows 10. Previously, it was Windows 7 OS. Earlier, I tried Windows 11 and it turned out that the performance results were not good. On this laptop, the Windows 10 OS is good enough. Performance feels stable and comfortable. Okay, that's all friends. Hopefully this video is useful. Thanks for watching. See you around.